So the strategy that I would like to show you is called Think, Pair, Share, Write. And Think, Pair, Share, Write is a collaborative reading strategy that's designed to encourage students to think deeply about a text, generate new ideas through collaboration, share those ideas with a group, and then finally write cohesively about the text to show a complete understanding. This strategy can be used with any age group or ability group that's capable of independent reading and basic writing. That means it's appropriate for students as young as first or second grade all the way up through high school. It can be used in any type of classroom. You can use it with any types of question. You can use it with math questions. You can use it with social studies questions. You can use it with science questions. You can use it with English questions. You can really use it with any question that you ask your students. The procedures for Think, Pair, Share, Write are very, very simple. The first thing that you do is you ask students to think about the text on their own and generate some of their own ideas. Then you have them pair with a partner to share those preliminary ideas, and then they might generate something new with their partner. Third, you ask the students to share their newly generated ideas with the full classroom. And then finally, you ask students to write about what they learned from the text or from the whole group discussion. Now, when you're teaching Think, Pair, Share, Write, it can really be as simple or as complicated as you want it to be. You can do it casually or you can do it more formally. A casual Think, Pair, Share, Write could be as simple as just asking students to read a question, think about it silently, let them discuss with a partner, and then ask the group at large. And you can really do that with almost any type of question. It can be done digitally through a discussion board. And then a more formal example is right here. Now this is something that you would print out and give to them on paper. So this sample lesson is just that. It's very simple. It asks the students to think about the text on their own, write their thoughts, share their notes with a partner, talk about what they're learning, write their notes from that discussion, and then participate in the class discussion and write any new insights. So they are doing the thinking on their own, they're pairing with a partner to discuss, they're sharing with a full classroom to discuss, and then they are ultimately writing down any new insights that they gained about the text. The Common Core state standards that this covers are a reading anchor standard 1 to read closely to determine what the text says explicitly, make logical inferences, cite specific textual evidence to support conclusions, and then another one that it covers is the speaking and listening anchor standard that asks students to prepare for and participate effectively in a range of conversations and collaborations with diverse partners, building on others' ideas and expressing their own clearly and persuasively, because really that's exactly what they're doing in Think, Pair, Share, Write. They are sharing their ideas with each other and to build on their own ideas so that they can then express what they think about the text. And I got most of this information from Read, Write, Think. I will say too that through my own classroom experiences, this is an excellent strategy. It's very simple to use, it's very simple to implement. The kids really like it. It helps them build confidence when they can talk to a partner, and it really gets them talking and engaged in the text, especially with older students. Sometimes asking them to share their thoughts out loud with the class can be a little scary, but when you have them talk through their answers with a partner first and then share with the whole group, it makes them feel a little bit more confident in what they're saying, and it's really just an excellent strategy to use. So that is my classroom reading strategy, and I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.